Good morning, students. Today we will discuss an activity of chapter Matter in Our Surroundings of class 9th. In this activity, we will show that particles are very small in size and they spread by the process of diffusion. Again, for this activity, we will take water in a beaker. We will take 4 small beakers of 100 ml each. Now, some crystals of potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, and a still. For this activity, firstly, we will pour 100 ml of water in our first beaker. That is 100 ml of water in first beaker. It is considered as beaker A. Now we will pour 90 ml of water in our second beaker. That is our beaker B. Same, we will take water in our third beaker. Again it is 90 ml. And it is considered as beaker C. And at last, in last beaker, we also take 90 ml of water. And it is considered as beaker D. Now, we will start this activity. We will take some crystals of potassium permanganate and pour it in beaker A. Now we will stir the solution to break the particles of potassium permanganate. Now you can observe the particles of potassium permanganate diffuses in the solution, and you can observe the purple color of potassium permanganate. Now from beaker A, we will pour 10 ml in beaker B to make the solution again 100 ml. Now you can observe the difference. Now, in next step, again from beaker B, we will pour 10 ml of solution in beaker C. Now you can observe the difference in color. And at last, from beaker C, we will pour 10 ml of water in beaker D. Yes, students, what will you observe? Now, you can observe in beaker A, the solution is very dark. That is the color of potassium permanganate, that is completely purple. Now, what is the difference in these beakers? In beaker B, on dilution, in every beaker, the color starts faded. That is dark. Now, on dilution, colors become fade. Then, and at last, the colors become very faded. And what is the reason? So then what is the conclusion? You can observe on dilution, the potassium permanganate crystals decreases per unit volume. In this, the number of particles are very large. In this beaker, they get smaller, then decreases, and then decreases. Now, what is the conclusion of this activity? The conclusion of this activity is the crystals or the particles are very large in number, but on dilution they starts decreasing and they spread by the process of diffusion. Dear students, that is the activity of our chapter in which we will discuss, or in which it is completely shown the process of diffusion as well as the number or the size of particles that is very small. Thank you.